Hello. Hi, everyone. I hope you're doing really well today. If you're listening right now, relax. You're in the right place. This is a safe and friendly space to learn English. No pressure, no fear, no stress. Just listening, practicing, and enjoying the journey.
Yes, and making many mistakes.
Many mistakes, Paul, and that's completely okay. Because mistakes are not bad. They are actually the best way to learn. So today, we're going to practice something very simple, something people ask when they meet you for the first time.
Scary question?
Not scary at all, just a very common and friendly question. Tell me about yourself. We'll practice together. I'll help, Paul will make mistakes, and we'll learn step by step.
Yes, I ready.
First lesson already. I am ready.
I am ready.
Perfect. Let's begin slowly. Paul, tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name Paul?
Add one small word. My name is Paul.
My name is Paul.
Very good. Now continue.
I from America?
Almost perfect. I am from America.
I am from America.
Excellent. See? Easy. Where do you live?
I live on New York.
Very common mistake. I live in New York.
I live in New York.
Great. Is it a big city?
Yes, it very big and noisy.
Let's fix it. It is very big and noisy.
It is very big and noisy.
Do you like it?
Yes, I very liking it very much.
Say, I like it very much.
I like it very much.
Nice. Now listen to me. My name is Emily. I am from Canada. I live in a big city too, but it is calmer.
You like big city?
Add a helper word. Do you like the big city?
Do you like the big city?
Yes, I do. I like the energy. Now, let's talk about age. How old are you?
I have 30 years.
In English, we say, I am 30 years old.
I am 30 years old.
Perfect. And how old do you think I am?
You have 25 years?
Say, you are 25 years old?
You are 25 years old?
Yes, I am. Good guess. Now, work. What do you do?
I am teacher.
Add a. I am a teacher.
I am a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach English.
I teach English. Do you like your job?
Yes, I very love my job.
Say, I really love my job.
I really love my job.
That sounds great. I am a student.
You are a student?
You are a student.
You are a student.
Yes, I study art.
Art interesting.
Art is interesting.
Art is interesting.
Thank you. Art helps me relax. Now, let's talk about family. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have two brother.
Two brothers.
I have two brothers.
Older or younger?
They older than me.
They are older than me.
They are older than me.
What do they do?
One brother is engineer. Other brother work in office.
Let's fix it. One brother is an engineer. The other brother works in an office.
One brother is an engineer. The other brother works in an office.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about pets. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have dog.
I have a dog.
I have a dog.
His name?
His name Max.
His name is Max.
His name is Max.
What is he like?
He very friendly.
He is very friendly.
He is very friendly.
I love friendly dogs. I have a cat.
Cats sleep all day.
Cats sleep all day.
Cats sleep all day.
True. Now, pause for a moment. Think about this. You just practiced name, country, city, age, job, family, and pets.
Yes, many sentences.
Many sentences.
Many sentences.
And you did great. Mistakes, corrections, practice. This is how English becomes easy. Okay, Paul, now let's talk about hobbies and free time. Hobbies are the things you enjoy doing for fun.
Hobbies. I like music.
Good. A small correction. I like listening to music.
I like listening to music.
Perfect. What kind of music do you like?
I like rock music. Old rock music.
Excellent. Old rock is very interesting. Do you play any instrument?
Yes, I play guitar. Not very good.
Small grammar fix. I play the guitar, but I am not very good at it.
I play the guitar, but I am not very good at it.
Great. See? Just little changes make sentences perfect. Now my hobbies. I like to paint and draw. I also enjoy reading storybooks.
Storybooks? What kind of story?
Adventure stories, full of action and imagination.
Ah, I like adventure too. I read books sometimes, not many.
Small improvement. I read books sometimes, but not very often.
I read books sometimes, but not very often.
Nice. Now let's talk about sports. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer every Saturday.
Good. Small fix. I play soccer with my friends every Saturday.
I play soccer with my friends every Saturday.
Perfect. Soccer is fun and healthy.
Yes, very fun. I like to run and play.
Grammar fix. I like to run and play.
I like to run and play.
Now movies. Next, do you like movies?
Yes, I love comedy movies. Very funny.
Perfect. And animated movies?
Yes, I like. Very creative.
Grammar fix. Yes, I like them. They are very creative.
Yes, I like them. They are very creative.
Great. Movies and books are fun ways to learn English too. Now let's talk about food. What food do you like most, Paul?
I like pizza. My favorite food are pizza.
Small correction. My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is pizza.
Perfect. And do you like pasta?
Yes, I like pasta very much.
Small improvement. I like pasta very much.
I like pasta very much.
And I love pasta too. Sometimes with cheese, sometimes with vegetables.
Ah, vegetables good. I like tomato on pizza.
Small fix. I like tomatoes on pizza. Plural.
I like tomatoes on pizza.
Perfect. Now colors. What is your favorite color, Paul?
Blue, like sky.
Excellent. Calm and peaceful. My favorite color is green, like trees.
Green, very nice. Green is like nature.
Perfect. See how easy it is to describe yourself? Now, animals. Favorite animal.
Dog. My dog Max, very friendly.
Nice. And my favorite is cat. My cat Luna, very sleepy.
Ah, different. Dog and cat. Dog active, cat sleepy.
Yes, cats love to sleep. Okay, now dislikes. What food don't you like, Paul?
Olives. I not like olives.
Grammar fix. I don't like olives.
I don't like olives.
Perfect. And I don't like very spicy food.
Ah, yes. Too hot, not good.
Good. Small phrases are okay. Now, activities you don't like.
I don't like, wait long line.
Grammar fix. I don't like to wait in long lines.
I don't like to wait in long lines.
Perfect. Everyone can relate. Now the fun part. Favorite things: food, color, animal, hobby. Already we talked about most, but you can add more.
Music, soccer, pizza. Good.
Perfect. See? You already have so many sentences. This is enough for a friendly conversation.
Yes, I feel better now.
Great. Now a small practice. Full introduction. Start with name, age, place, hobby.
Okay. Hello, I am Paul. I am 30 years old. I am a teacher. I like pizza and dogs. I don't like olives and waking up early.
Very good. Clear, simple, friendly.
Thank you, Emily. I am learning fast.
You are doing amazing. Mistakes help a lot. Every small correction, big improvement. Now mine. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm 25 years old. I'm a student. I love painting and reading. I like pasta and cats. I don't like very spicy food.
Wow, very good. Easy to understand.
Thank you. Now you can see it's not scary to describe yourself.
Yes, scary no more. I like practicing with you.
Perfect. See how fun learning can be? Mistakes, corrections, conversation, all together. Now a small tip. You don't need to say everything at once. Choose one or two things. Name, hobby, or food, favorite color. Enough.
Yes, good tip.
And you can always ask questions too. What do you like? Or what is your favorite color? Conversation becomes easy.
Yes, ask and answer. Fun way to learn.
Now we can continue talking about family, friends, daily life. All these help you practice English naturally.
Yes, I am ready. I am learning every day.
Perfect. Mistakes are welcome. Corrections are friendly. Step by step, we improve. Okay, Paul, now we continue. Let's talk about daily life, simple things we do every day.
Daily life. I wake up 7 o'clock.
Small correction. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Perfect. And what do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth. Then I eat breakfast very fast.
Good. Small grammar fix. Then I eat breakfast very quickly.
Then I eat breakfast very quickly.
Excellent. Do you like breakfast?
Yes, I like breakfast. I like eggs and bread.
Perfect. Healthy choice. And after breakfast?
I go work. I teaching English.
Almost perfect. I go to work. I teach English.
I go to work. I teach English.
Perfect. And do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I very enjoy. I like students.
Small grammar fix. Yes, I really enjoy it. I like my students.
Yes, I really enjoy it. I like my students.
Very good. And what about your free time after work?
I watch TV. Sometimes I listen music.
Grammar fix. Sometimes I listen to music.
Sometimes I listen to music.
Perfect. And what kind of shows do you like?
Comedy shows. Make me laugh.
Great. Laughter is important. I like watching art documentaries in my free time.
Oh, you watch art. Very interesting.
Yes, I learn many things. And sometimes I practice painting.
Ah, very good. You improving?
Small correction. I am improving. Present continuous for practice.
I am improving.
Perfect. Learning is always step by step. Now let's talk about travel. Do you like to travel, Paul?
Yes, I like very much. I visit many city.
Small fix. I like it very much. I visit many cities.
I like it very much. I visit many cities.
Excellent. And do you travel alone or with friends?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with friends. Very fun with friends.
Perfect. Traveling with friends is very enjoyable. Now, favorite place you visited?
Paris. Very beautiful city. I love Eiffel Tower.
Excellent. Small fix. It is a very beautiful city.
Paris. It is a very beautiful city. I love Eiffel Tower.
Perfect. I also like Paris. Very artistic and historic. Now, let's practice giving advice. What advice do you have for learning English?
I say read books, watch movies, and practice every day.
Perfect. Small improvement. I would say read books, watch movies, and practice every day.
I would say read books, watch movies, and practice every day.
Excellent. And don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are friends.
Yes, mistakes, friends. I understand now.
Perfect. Now let's practice asking questions. Ask me one question, Paul.
Emily, what your favorite food?
Small fix. Emily, what is your favorite food?
Emily, what is your favorite food?
I love pasta and pizza. Very simple and delicious.
Ah, very good. I like pasta too.
Nice. Now I ask you, Paul, what is your favorite hobby?
My hobby is play soccer, listen music, read books.
Perfect. You can also say, my hobbies are playing soccer, listening to music, and reading books.
My hobbies are playing soccer, listening to music, and reading books.
Very good. Step by step, sentence by sentence. Now, let's review everything we learned. Name, age, place, job, family, pets, hobbies, likes, dislikes, daily life, travel, favorite food. You already know so many sentences now.
Yes, I can say a lot. Very happy.
Perfect. That's the goal. Learning English should be fun and friendly. Now, last tip for today. Always speak slowly. Take small pauses. Think before speaking. It makes your English better and clear.
Yes. Speak slowly, small pause, think. I remember.
Excellent. And don't forget to smile. A smile makes conversation friendly and easy. Now, Paul, final practice. Tell me about yourself in one long introduction.
Okay. Hello, I am Paul. I am 30 years old. I am a teacher. I live in New York. I like pizza, pasta, dogs, soccer, music. I don't like olives or waiting in long lines. I love reading sometimes. I enjoy traveling. I am learning English every day.
Wow, perfect. Perfect clear, very friendly, very complete. See, you did amazing.
Thank you, Emily. I feel more confident now.
I am so proud of you, and I hope all our listeners learned with us too. You can practice just like this, step by step, mistake by mistake. So, everyone, remember, be patient, be friendly, make mistakes, correct them, and keep practicing. English is a journey, not a race. Enjoy every step.
Yes, enjoy every step. I agree.
Perfect. Now it's time to say goodbye for today.
Bye, everyone. Thank you for listening.
Bye, stay safe, keep practicing, and see you next time.
Bye. And remember, mistakes are okay. Keep learning.
Exactly. Goodbye, everyone.